First mud hole?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Wait, let me get this on video, eh? Yeah, go.
Go?
Yeah. No. No way. You know I want to bring my Dakota through this, Justin.
Brandon, bring the 4-track right through it. Just full blown.
Wait, we gotta go to the ones behind Timmy's.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. That was awesome.
That was fucking awesome, man.
Okay, 4 tracks.
Come on.
Yo, the real mud holes are over there. I used to do this in 2-wheel drive on a Moto 4. It's actually not that bad. There's one spot down there where your other wheel will get hung up in a rut, but it's just a rut. Give her. Oh my fucking god. Yeah! Yeah, boy! Oh my god. Someone need a tow? Yeah, that's where the rut is. Oh my. She's coming. Do you guys just want me to pull it? Oh my god. You out? Oh. Paris, did you make it out?
Yeah, I did.
Mudding. Oh yeah. Yep. Hey. Oh man.
I just don't want to overheat. This shit. I don't want to overheat it too much though. Yeah. It will overheat today to the point where it's breaking point. It's so damn old. I want to blow it up.
Yo, do you need a tow or are you guys gonna push it out?
I think I might need a tow.
Alright.
That'll be easier with the tow. Oh, we almost got it there, eh? Yeah, it's not that.
Okay, try again. Is it gonna come out? Oh yeah. Yo, this mud hole is fucking fun. That one, if you go in the middle, it's fucked.
Okay, I'm not gonna try it then, because this thing will force me to the middle.
Yo, this mud hole's alright though.
I'm gonna go through that one.
You are? Yo, I gotta get this on video.
Hold on, let me get my little cheap ass camera on.
Yo, all this is going on YouTube. I hope you guys know. Yeah. Oh fuck! Come on, Perez!
Right through the middle!
Right through the middle!
Right through the middle! Through the middle! Full blown, first gear!
It's only about that deep. Alright, he's gonna just take his phone out.
Put it in his bag.
Wait, I better get this.
Do you bag your phone? No. I never do.
Multiple angles.
Can the sheets here? Oh yeah! Can the sheets here? Oh yeah! You good?
Yo! Yo! You need a towel?
Yeah, help it. That's Carla for roasting
Oh my god. Robert! Oh.
Fucking motors, ain't it? She's in gear. So I'm trying to get her in it.
I smell gas terrible. Yeah! Forget her full blown! Oh no, she's got a little water in her. You gotta keep her pinned.
Choker. How far did you get it over? Not too far. Lucky. Fucking whore. Fuck.
I think I might be driving people home today. Yo, just go! Just give her! Go! Take a bolt. Pin it! Pin it!
Pin it!
She's got water in her.
Shave the bolt back.
Yo, you think... No. There's
There's no hole, I don't want to blow it up.
yeah, there's better ones back there. They're not so deep, but they're muddy.
You just gotta keep revving it. I'm not gonna do all the mud holes.
Yeah.
Try and do as many as possible, but gotta play safe at the same time. How far did you get it over?